our final concept. As listen to me, please, Haydar. Okay. Imagine if there is, for example, 3 or more router. As I talked before, okay, we can write a route to this network only this router connected together directly. Okay, for example, if this is the net ID, this net ID is 0, 10, 0, and this net ID is 20, 0. Okay, and between these are, for example, 10, 10, 10, 0, 0, 0, slash 30, this IP is 1, this IP is 2, and here is 10, 10, 10, 10, 40, slash 30, the IP is 5, and the IP is 6. Okay, if my router A wants to send a packet to client of router C, should pass it to router B, and router B pass it to router C. Okay, but in the meaningful scenario, how should it happen? See, when you add some IP to a router, for example, the routing table of router A, the routing table of router B, the routing table of router C. Router A add each connected route directly. Okay, wait. Destination and gateway and scope and target scope. Did you see that? Scope and target scope. Okay. The router will tell, for example, it connect to ether 1, and the scope is 10, and the target scope is 10, and it is DAC, dynamic active connected. Another one, 10, 0, it is connected to ether 2, for example. Ether 2, for example, the scope is 10, for example, the scope is 10, for example, the scope and target scope. Okay. Okay, and it is DAC. Okay. Okay. It means this scope means this is a connect route. This DAC is for I and you, but the router understands this route that this is a connected route. Okay, and if you want to reach the destination, you have to use a connected route. So what is this route? Where you have to go? Okay, so for example, you want to reach this address, you have to go ether 1. Okay, but when you write, for example, another road 1921, for example 20/30, and you tell the router that it is, you have to go to 10, 10, 10, 2, the scope will be 30, and the target scope will be 10, and the flag will be AS, means active static, or for example BGP is DAB means dynamic active BGP. Okay, it will tell the router, if you want to reach this net ID, you have to go this gateway because of this C 30. Because of this 30. This 30 means it's a static route. But this tell the router this is a static route and go to 10 10 10 2. But how reach this gateway? Router does not know where is the gateway. Where is the gateway? So to find the gateway, router check the target scope. 10 means it's a connected route. So router goes to the connected and looking for 10 10 10. So find it and send it on ether 1. So router make its decision based on this algorithm. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Understand?
Yes.
So MicroTik tell us you can reach a gateway even you are not directly connected to that net ID. For example, I want to write a route to router C. Directly, we can't do that. Yes, we can. In MTCNA you can't, but you are MTCRE, you can. Okay, but how? At first, we have to define the net ID between these. If you want to reach the net ID between B and C, go to 10 10 10 10 2. So this is a static route and the target scope is 10 and it is an AS. And then if you want to catch the destination of router C, you can directly go to router C. But you have to tell this is a static route that if you want to find the gateway, you have to looking for a static route. Okay, wait. Let's check it. I want to go to router C. Router C is client. Go to this IP. It's a static route. But if you want the gateway, I mean this gateway, you have to looking in my static route. So my router goes through static routes and find this static 3. So if you want to go to 10 10 6, you have to go to 10 10 10 2. We call it recursive next hop resolving. Okay. For example, in my router, for example, want in my router as the example, this is my router. I want to catch the router C directly without tunnel or the other thing. Okay. The net ID between B and C is 4. Yes. At first I have to define the net ID. Let me disable my OSPF at first. Okay. To disable, only disable the instance or disable net ID. It's okay. Okay. I am going to IP route. Write a route. I want to know the net ID between B and C. Okay. The gateway is router B. Tamam. Okay. The gateway is B. Okay. Scope is C. Target scope is 10. It means if you want to know who is 10 10 10 2, go to the connected route. And then if you want to catch the local network of router C, directly go to router C. If I hit the apply, it says unreachable. Means I don't know its net ID. But I tell, okay, it's a static route. But looking for a gateway, using another static route. Apply recursive via 10 10 10 2. Interesting, yes? But it is not useful for you because you are at the basic level, because you are at the first step of network administrator. Okay, it's an advanced scenario. Scope and target scope, recursive next hop resolving. Let's go to the PDF of my friend Mr. Wahid. I'm Imam Farai. Never. This is my friend. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. One of the course that I suggest you to learn is MTC IPv6E. Okay, because the word is going to use IPv6. Okay, learn MTC IPv6E. See, scope and target scope. Okay, for example, connected road scope is 10, OSPF RIP is 20, static is 30, EBGP is 40, IBGP is 40, connected not active is 20. MikroTik does not run any scenario, just teach you. It is possible to specify gateway to network, even the gateway is not directly reachable. Only this. Come on.
You can change the scope.
Yes, we can change all of it. Okay. I wish you the best and thanks for your time. We start at 9 in the morning and finish in the 9 p.m. Huh? It is my great pleasure and honor to be with you, Kurdish person. And I learned too many things from you. I wish you this course will be useful and interesting for you. I wish all the best for all of you. I want you to practice more and more and check every concept that I teach you. Okay, practice. Next month we will have the course MTCWE and MTCTCE, and those two courses are very good, interesting. How to optimize a wireless link and how to manage bandwidth. Okay, interesting. Have a good night. I wish you the best. Goodbye for 1 month. Bye bye.